All right, everyone. Here's just a quick video on this OBD Star H100 key programmer that I bought to program some keys for my Jaguar 2010 Jaguar XF. The one key that I did have got kind of destroyed a few weeks ago, and I managed to put it together with rubber bands and whatever else, but it only works if I put it in a key slot. It will not work if I, as a standalone, it won't unlock or lock the doors from outside the car. So, so basically, the car has to remain unlocked. Um, now, oops, there we go. Okay, so we got this OBDSTAR here. Now, last week what I did was I bought as well as buying the device itself, I bought two keys. One was a used Jaguar, original Jaguar key fob that looks just like this, except it had it had the Jaguar logo on the back and whatever else. But it had been wiped clean and it was ready for program. It was I paid $75 on $70 on eBay for it. I also bought this one here, which was this is a knockoff, but it's a brand new key fob, but it is a knockoff, non-Jag, and it's I paid $50 for this one. So last week the original Jaguar key fob, I managed to program that one last week, using my old beat up existing key fob that I had to copy from, and that worked just fine. And I just wanted to go through real quick to show you the steps that it took in order to program this one here. Well, believe it or not, I just programmed this one, and I tried to videotape it, and I realized that the camera wasn't turned on. So this one has now already been programmed, and it worked just like 5 minutes ago. And I copied from the original, not the original key that I had that got blown up into pieces, but the original Jaguar key that I bought a couple of weeks ago and copied to. That was the one I used to copy to this one. It's inside the house now, inside a box, because when I wanted to double check this one, I wanted to make sure that the car wasn't starting and working off of the key that I made a copy from. All right, so that's inside the house. This is the only key I have on me right now, and it is working. You can hear it's it's locking the doors. It'll pop the trunk if I go outside. It turns the headlights on. I did check them, and I did check this hazard button, and that works as well because it makes a heck of a noise. Anyway, so real quick, here's the process I went through to make it work on the OBDSTAR H100. It worked it worked both times on two different types of key. One was an original Jaguar key fob that had been wiped clean. One was a knockoff key fob. It was a brand new key fob, and that's this one, and it worked on that too. So here's the process real quick. We're going to choose vehicles, enter. We want to go down to immobilizer, enter. Go down to Jaguar, obviously, enter. There's only one option there for the Jag. We're going to hit enter. It's authorizing. We're going to select from, we're going to go down and we're going to use select from type. And we're going to do smart key system. That's the one we want to use. When we hit enter, we're going to use type 1. We're going to hit enter. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a smart key. We hit enter. It says need at least one program smart key. Of course, I have one here right now. I have none to copy to because I did have to. Anyway, so now we put program smart key into near the gear shift and hit enter to continue. We do that. We're going to switch ignition off. We don't have to do that. This is pretty straightforward from here on. I'm just going to turn it off from here forward because I don't want to, screw up the copy that I just made here. But it's pretty straightforward from here. It'll come up, and then it will tell you to, well, let me hit enter. Configuring the system, please wait. Confirm the ignition is turned on. So it's actually stuck in a loop right here. I guess because I don't have the second key here to program. So, but what would normally happen at this point would be it would come up and say something to the effect that push the unlock button on the key fob within 5 seconds. You'll hear your doors unlocked. As soon as that happens, hit escape or hit enter, or just unplug the device like this, and your key should start working right away. You'll notice that you'll be able to get the light should come on here on the start when you hit it. If you want to start the car, it should work too. So that's it, pretty much straightforward. If you have any questions, leave a question. I'll try and answer it and get back to you. And if I do get around to making another key copy, hopefully this time I'll remember to take the pause button off the camera when I start recording. All right, hope this helps, guys. Thanks. Bye bye.